A very good evening to all our viewers. This is Media Plus Shillong. At the weekly press briefing on the 16th of July 2021, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA, informed that a meeting with his counterpart in Assam would be held on the 17th of July 2021 at Guwahati, where discussions on issues concerning the two states would take place in a detailed manner. CONRAD SANGMA, while briefing the press, informed that certain issues that have been pending would be discussed at an informal meeting with the Assam Chief Minister HIMANTA SHARMA at Guwahati on the evening of 17th July 2021. A date would also be fixed for an official meeting that would be soon held between the governments of Assam and Meghalaya. On being asked about the Union Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Meghalaya, CONRAD SANGMA informed that discussions on the boundary issue, the current developmental issues, afforestation and conservation of forests, especially in the Cherrapunji region of Meghalaya, and state-specific issues like the 8th Schedule, the 6th Schedule Amendment, and the issue of inline permit would be taking place at the meeting with the Union Home Minister and all Chief Ministers of the 8 northeastern states of the country.
I will be meeting the Assam Chief Minister tomorrow evening. It is a meeting that is again at a more of an unofficial level. As I had mentioned to you many times before, that we have been having unofficial discussions on this very important subject many times, and tomorrow is a continuation of that. And we will also tomorrow, while we sit, we will also fix a date for an official meeting between the two governments. And so that also will be the agenda. And obviously, we'll have unofficial discussions about many other discussions about many other topics. So yes, tomorrow evening we will be meeting in the party. Many issues are there on the cards. Definitely, we will be discussing about the border and the boundary issue with the Honourable Minister. We will also be discussing about many of the developmental issues that are there. The Honourable Minister, Home Minister being the Chairman of ADC, so we will also be discussing about that. He is also very keen to discuss about the afforestation and conservation work, especially in Sora area. So we'll be discussing about that. All the Chief Ministers of the Northeast have been invited, so I'm sure that there will be some agendas that will be very common to the whole of Northeast that may be discussed. Apart from that, obviously state-specific issues, including our issues of the 8th Schedule, issues of the 6th Schedule Amendment, issue of the ILP. All these matters will also be discussed